also have the Olay. Lyra! The Olay Regenerist. Lyra! So there's the Olay White Radiance Essence. Lyra, stop it, baby! Then we also have Shiny Focus Corner. Lyra! And then we also have the Olay Micro Shiny. इसको वो करो ना नहीं focus. हाँ, and then we also have the Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream. Lyra, move, baby. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start today's video by showing you that I'm not wearing any foundation on my skin at all right now. This is how my skin is actually looking. So see, there's no foundation, no makeup on my face except for some tinted lip balm, because yes, it's the winter season, it is getting dry. But talking about dryness, guys, you might have seen this in my videos all year long. I keep complaining how my skin is so dry and so dehydrated. And here's the winter season and my skin is actually behaving so well. I'm not wearing any foundation also on my skin to hide anything. And it's just because, I've been following a couple of steps, taking care of a few things this winter season, which has actually really helped my skin. So if you want to know what helped my skin and if you want some ideas on what to do with your skin this winter season, just keep watching this video, guys, to find out. Now it's very important to remember that hot water and even very cold water can actually make your skin very, very dry. So use room temperature water as much as possible while washing your face. And here's a quick face wash hack that everybody can use. Just take your face wash on your palms, add a few drops of argan oil to this and then clean your face with this. This is very, very nourishing for your skin and can really keep your skin silky smooth. Another great trick is to add a little bit of sugar to your face wash and then massage your face with this. This not only exfoliates your skin very gently while cleaning it up, but it also helps in keeping the moisture locked in. And obviously, guys, hydrating your skin, moisturizing your skin is very, very, very important. So this has to happen in different steps, okay? So obviously we have cleaned the face. Now what we'll do is first we'll actually get the moisture inside the skin and then we'll lock the moisture by applying another layer. So I'll tell you what the process is. This is how it's done. So for the first step, I'm using the Olay White Radiance Essence, which is a super light formula. And using this is simple. Just take a pump or two of this on your fingertips and apply this gently all over your face. As you will massage this, you realize that it has super tiny particles that get absorbed by the skin very quickly, leaving the skin looking super fresh and glowy. And also, with regular use, it actually helps in reducing dark spots, reducing pigmentation, which means you can start going out. Actually, you can go out any way that you want to, but just saying, you can actually stop wearing foundation because your skin is looking so much more better. So this is a step where we are getting the moisture inside the skin because it gets absorbed by the skin. The next step, which is to be followed immediately, is applying a moisturizing cream so that it can lock the moisture in so that the moisture doesn't just go out, right? So for this, I'll immediately apply the Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream. And you just have to take a small pea-sized amount of this, make small dots over your face and gently massage this into your skin. So this will help the moisture stay locked in, also keeping the skin supple, soft, firm and hydrated. You just have to do this twice a day and that should be good enough. If you want to know more about these products I just talked about, I'll put the links in the description box below. And here's a very quick and familiar DIY because I'm sure a lot of you must have already tried it before. Just take a little bit of gram flour. To this add some curd, mustard oil and turmeric. You can also add honey, but only if it suits your skin, so please do a patch test. And just mix it up, apply it all over your face, all over your neck. If you also want to apply it on your body, you can do that. Now there's a very old DIY which has been in use for generations in our country, but that's because it really, really works. Especially for the winter season, it can really nourish your skin. Just do this once or twice a week and you will see a difference. And if you don't like using sheet masks, which is completely understandable, I've been getting a lot of queries, a lot of concerns about sheet masks on my channel. And I think, yes, some of these are very valid concerns. So that's completely fine. If you don't want to use a sheet mask, here's a quick alternative. Just take some lotus gel, apply a nice thick layer of this lotus gel all over your face, all over your neck. Leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off partially. Just partially wash it off with water. Whatever is left remaining, you can totally massage this into your skin. You can do this every every single night, and it will definitely help your skin get better. So guys, those are all the tips and all the ideas that I wanted to share with you all in today's video. If you found this video useful, or if you have any ideas of your own to share, please share them in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you guys. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and if you want to know more about the products which I have used in today's video and the DIYs, I'll share all the details in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye-bye. I know, guys, a lot of there's a quick DIY that